Hey friends, so today I wanted to talk about one of the latest experience which I had while I was interviewing for a data engineer position in my team. And to be frank, there is still a lot of gap in the skill set which I feel in the industry, and people are still trying to learn their way to get into the data engineering field, and I truly support it. It's a good field to work in. It is really awesome when you if you like data, if you like playing with the data. So it's awesome. You should be like aspiring to work with the data in this domain. But I really wanted to highlight that this is something which puts the real life uh, of a manager or of a firm or of a product basically on risk, because when you go with the preparation you might have done from your own, and you go to interview and you tell them that okay, you have like 7 years of experience and 5 years of experience in the domain, in the data engineering field, but when while you do not have that much of the experience, that is the concerning thing which I have really really noticed. So what happens is, people will be like working in different fields, coming from maybe other technologies, and they want to make their way into the data engineering. That's a good thing. You should be doing that, and definitely. But there is a thin line between the aspiration and the false commitments and the false promising. Because when you go for an interview and you have prepared yourself with all the theoretical questions and all the domain knowledge and all the technical knowledge, the interviewer will be impressed with your knowledge, and he will trust your ability. But the problem is, if they trust your abilities and they agree to go with the hiring, and they hire you eventually, they do not get what they have expected for. So that is something which I feel is something in the industry is happening uh, everywhere. I'm not saying that there are everyone is like this only, and there are no valid or genuine people in the industry or in the market. There are so many technical minds, and there are so many technical people. They are very good at what they do. But the thing is, rather than going with your uh, false promises, just be upfront. Just tell the interviewer, okay, I have been working with such things, but this is what I want to do, and this is where I am aspiring, and that is why I have spent so much of time learning these things. If you come up with this honesty, I assure you that all the interviewer will like this honesty, and they will not turn you down just because that you have not done the practical work. Because when you go in new domain, and you do not expect that you will be like if you have worked like 5 years in some different thing, and now you want to move to data engineering, and you want to tell them, okay, 5 years I have the experience in data engineering. That is not something which is the correct. So rather than uh, saying this, you might want to tell them, okay, 5 years I have worked in different things, but last 2 years I have been spending a lot of time to learn the data engineering stuff, and I have done my multiple projects. Just display those projects, and definitely that is also work, like that is also hands-on. And I mean, ideally you should be treated like a like a fresher or 1 or 2 years of experience. Do not expect that you will get 5 years of experience uh, exposure, while uh, in reality you do not have that. So do not expect that. That puts everything into the risk, because the team which is hiring you, they might have some expectations from you. If you come up with that false promises, that does not put you also in a very good spot when you are hired and you join the team and they give you some work, and you are not able to do it because you have not done that practically. So just be upfront, be loyal, be honest, and I think that should be the way. And yeah, please uh, try to be more ethical. And yeah, that is what I just wanted to share with you all. Please uh, uh, please be honest, and yeah, keep growing, keep learning, and definitely there are a lot of doors which will open for you. Definitely, it's not like your own your your efforts will go uh, unnoticed, definitely. So please keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much. That is what I just wanted to explain and to discuss with you guys. Thank you.